Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my second video in English. This is actually my second trial. I have no idea how it's gonna be. The final cut, the final edition. It has been a very long time since I speak in English. I am not a native speaker of English. English would be my third or fourth language. My first language is my own dialect, and then the standard Malay, and then I think English is the third one, the third language. So please bear with me. I hope you can understand. My pronunciation will be mixed with Malaysian English and gibberish. I try to sound like a British, but you'll hear me a lot in Malaysian English with a mix of American English and a little bit of British English. Everybody, I think, want to sound like English, British English, because British English will make you sound smart, whereas the Malaysian English, or I would say other gibberish sounds like English sounds ridiculous. Today I'm going to show you guys about this boombox, this Hitachi TRK 99140W, which I have bought last 2 weeks. And by the time I got this boombox, it only has one speaker. The cassette this does not work. It sounds very good for 90s boombox, and I have tried to repair. The real problem with this cassette mechanism is the belt, which is this white belt. Instead of square belt, usual square belt, this 90s boombox use this type of belt, the square belt, and for this one it has been broken. This is the second part, the second model I've ordered, but something wrong with postage during delivery, causing this very unit broken, shattered to pieces. You can see now. You can see this part is broken, and this gear actually has fallen out. I've managed to put it back, but this thing I'm not sure whether it's broken or it's supposed to be like this. But for this one, it's the same model. It's very sturdy, not like this. So I guess this can serve as spare parts. My first intention is I want to replace this damaged mechanism with this one, but then I've ordered the square belt from China, and it has arrived yesterday, and today I've managed to replace that broken this broken white belt, white, not white, white. As okay, it's very hard. The rubber is dead, we call it. So somehow I managed to repair this one, but it's not 100% fully functional, because this rewind and forward button, when I press it, the cassette doesn't move. Only if I press play, that's the noise because of that cassette, not this mechanism. It's just this local cassette, low quality. This is the original cassette. So when I play, nothing, there's not okay, some problem there. Okay, oh, I finally got it in my video. This is the thing that cause many people get upset with cassette. You know, during 90s, this is the common phenomenon for those who involved in this cassette of that era. Okay, if we didn't insert the cassette accordingly, it will happen. Usually when we put cassette into that, we push this button or this button to make sure that the cassette can run smooth, but for this one it doesn't function. So if I put play, you can see that the cassette running and the audio is there, but I'm not going to I'm not going to show you the whole song, otherwise it will be copyright problem. But I want to show you that it runs perfectly when I press play, but these two buttons, there's something wrong with that, and I think I will repair it some other times. Okay, the VU meter functions, and all the knobs and buttons are also very good. Okay, I have 3 speakers here. These 2 speakers is for another model which I've bought, but badly broken during postage. When I've opened yesterday, it shattered to many pieces. I mean, the outer cover, the outer layer looks okay, but the inside components, the parts, most of them have broken. Even this one, it should be attached with the body, but you see the screw is still there, and the bracket have broken, and the speakers as well. It has shattered. The mounting is broken, and I've managed to put glue in it, PVC glue for the pipe, and I also use this super glue. Okay, this is my second attempt speaking English in my video, hoping that I could reach more have not really prepared for this. This is quite spontaneous. I will not cut or edit this video. I've only increased the audio. So let's hear it again. Okay, the line in, the radio, cassette, all can be used now. This is the 80s model, because you can see that the phone and this mic mix thing, it is big compared to the 90s phone. This is 3.5 mm, the common earphone jack that we use nowadays, but back during the 70s and 80s they are big. So if we put 3.5 mm here in this 90 models, it will not fit. We need an adapter to it. This Hitachi have metal head, so of course it should be sounds better. And there's the button for it, for normal, chrome and metal cassette. The tape, radio, line in, phono. And this is the balance for the speakers, the bass knob, treble knob, the volume knob, loudness switch. This is the power switch, and this switch lets you decide whether you want to see the battery indicator or VU meter. So I hope there's nothing wrong when I publish these videos. Please excuse my grammar, my pronunciation, my accent. So that's it for for this session. I've done quite a lot video on old Boombox, but in Malay. This is my first time in English. It will be my 12th video. Bye.